Do you know that? Oftentimes in life, when we put our mind towards a particular thing, there is a force that makes it only to attract. But also to cling together. Originally, we were meant to be. Sachi was only but a means to bring us together. Oh, here she comes, my darling sister. Come drink with us. Get a glass cup, come. Come with me.
What?
I don't know, I just...
What's that?
No matter what you do in the dark, if it done a million, I take it like for JJ.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.